my video with the black bean corn tortilla chips. My first take on my taco salad, y'all. They got hot peppers, thick and chunky salsa, sour cream, and some good old cheese. Hot peppers. And lettuce. Yep. Let me taste this first. First, I'm gonna give y'all a bite. Let me give y'all a little taste test. Feed y'all it first. I don't got no onions. I never had these before.
Can I taste one?
Copped them from Arby's. They got flex seeds, gluten-free, made with whole grain corn, black beans, flex seed, and a little bit of sea salt. You can eat about 13 chips. It got 140 calories.
Did you take it last night?
Yeah.
I don't know if I
And it got 120 grams of sodium. So yeah, so this is my taste test and review on this with my taco salad. Of course, y'all already know your girl got the ground chicken.
Three. Wait, I'm coming over here. Hey, look. 3, 2, 1.
I ain't nasty. It tastes like a tortilla chip with seeds. Good to me. No GMO.
I like it.
Gluten free.
Dude, this got salt in here.
It was good to me. Y'all should go try them. I think these was like $3 and some change at Arby's.
I knew it was from Arby's.
Trying to get a little healthy. But actually, I could eat this salad without no
Salad.
no chips. I look greedy. Because you're looking at me like I look greedy or something. What you looking at?
Seeds. Black seeds.
How I'm talking to my people?
Right there.
This is so good. Are you getting these chips? Could you grab me a cup of water, Mook?
My God,
On my plate. Oh, you don't even eat everything I got.
I eat lettuce. I eat chicken.
And you'll never get that on your taco. Is this yours, Mook? I know. Good. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all go. I just wanted to get on here and do a little taco salad mukbang, give y'all the review on the black bean corn tortilla chips. Can't knock it till you try it, bro. You like old people stuff, as you call it. This a little bit on the healthier side. Crap. Thank y'all for tuning in, and I'm out.